The relationship between mood and food is an interesting one, and by now many of us would agree that you are what you eat. The brain and the intestines are closely connected by what is called the gut-brain axis. This knowledge led researchers to hypothesize that bacterial products such as probiotics could influence our mood and behavior. Since probiotics have proven to positively influence the gut microbiota, they could also have a positive effect on brain-related disorders such as anxiety and stress. Recent research tends to support this idea, but probiotic studies in humans are still scarce. One especially interesting question is whether probiotics might ameliorate or even prevent depression, which is a debilitating disorder affecting many people worldwide. The current study investigated this by looking at the effect of a probiotic mixture on cognitive reactivity to sad mood. This mixture, developed by Winklow Probiotics and called Ecologic BARRIER, contains 8 different probiotic bacteria, among which bifidobacteria, lactobacilli, and lactococci. In this triple-blind, randomized and placebo-controlled trial, 40 healthy individuals were randomly assigned to an experimental or control group, which resulted in 20 participants in each group. In the pre-intervention phase, all participants filled in the revised Leiden Index of Depression Sensitivity, a validated questionnaire that assesses cognitive reactivity to sad mood. In the intervention phase, the experimental group received the probiotic mixture, Ecologic BARRIER, and the control group received the placebo. After 4 weeks of taking this supplement, all participants again completed the revised Leiden Index of Depression Sensitivity questionnaire in the post-intervention phase. So what happened with those who took the probiotic mixture? The results are very promising. In the pre-intervention phase, there was no difference in cognitive reactivity to sad mood between the two groups. However, after 4 weeks of supplementation, the experimental group scored significantly lower on cognitive reactivity to sad mood compared to the control group. Clearly, probiotics can positively influence cognition, and they may potentially act as a preventive therapy for depression. These results are the first to provide evidence that the intake of probiotics, such as Ecologic BARRIER, may help reduce negative thoughts associated with sad mood.